Fijians living in Sogobiau and Naocobele in the Macuata Province now have easy access to towns, hospitals and schools after their service road was constructed and opened by the Minister for Rural, Maritime Development and Disaster Management, Sakiasi Ditoka. Ditoka says this new road now connects the village directly to the main highway, opening up safer, faster and more reliable access for vehicles and services.
As the access roads are concerned, we are now talking with PWD and FRA to hand those over to them for annual maintenance. So those are the projects that we did today, and we are very satisfied and very content that the people are also happy with the projects.
The minister during his North tour highlighted that residents of Nakelikosa village in the district of Nandongo now has access to clean, safe and reliable drinking water for the entire community after they have commissioned their new ecological purification system.
The need to have development plans ready, and the importance of the development committee in the villages, and the vital role of setting out the development programs for their communities, as well as disaster management committee and all the other committees that are supposed to be running.